Hey there, look at this set called D. It has some special numbers inside it. Let's figure out what all these numbers are and then describe them in words. See that little symbol with a plus on top and a minus on the bottom. That means we take both. So plus 4 means we have positive 4 and negative 4. Let's write out what's really inside this set. We have all the negative numbers from negative 20 to negative 4 and all the positive numbers from 4 to 20. Notice something, the numbers negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3 are not here. The smallest number in our set is negative 20 and the biggest number is positive 20. But we skip the numbers that are close to 0. Anything between negative 3 and positive 3 is left out. Here's a cool trick. If we look at how far each number is from 0, that's called absolute value. Every number in our set is between 4 and 20 steps away from 0. No number is closer than 4 steps. Let's also notice that every single number in this set is a whole number. No fractions, no decimals. We call whole numbers like these integers. That includes both positive and negative whole numbers. So, every number x in our set follows this rule. The absolute value of x is at least 4 and at most 20, and x must be an integer. That's the key idea we need for our description. And here's our answer. D is the set of all integers whose absolute value is from 4 to 20. That's a nice clean way to say it. It tells us we want whole numbers that are at least 4 steps away from 0, but no more than 20 steps away. Great job.